Yo, what's good guys? JAYROQS nga pala ulit. Today, we're gonna take a closer look para dito sa dalawang kit na to from DMR, which are the DMR DEATHGRIP in collaboration with DMRBIKES and Fairclough at DMR OiOi seat post. Pero ang bagong lahat, kung bago ka dito sa channel na to, make sure to hit the subscribe button, pati na rin yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga future content na ilalabas namin every week. Alright, let's start muna para dito sa DMR DEATHGRIP in collaboration of DMRBIKES and Fairclough. Right from the packaging, ito makakuha nyo. Makikita natin yung DMR logo along with the DEATHGRIP itself. Some packs regarding to this item, yung sa akin nga pala is pin to soap. Check muna natin. Alright, isa sa pinaka key features ng grip na to is yung tinatawag nilang Waffle and Knurl grip, which is ito yung Waffle nya. That's ito yung pinaka Knurl, which give us extra grip. Siyempre yung mushroom spike nya, actually pag hinawakan mo kaagad, makikita mo kaagad na yung kapit nandun yung kapit kaagad. Itong grip na to nga pala is a single lock on ring lang. Pero yung comfortability nya, tsaka yung range, kasi most of the time typical na handle grip natin is dalawa yung lock on nya, pero since dito ay isa lang, we can extend the range ng grip natin hanggang dito. I think ito na siguro yung pinaka comfortable grip na nahawakan ko so far, and don't take my word on it, kasi hindi ko pa siya nare-review, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit ngayon. I'm gonna let you know guys kung anong feeling nito once na naikabit ko na to sa bagong rides natin or sa bagong bike na binubuo natin. For the meantime, let's take a look on the grip itself. Nandito yung DEATHGRIP logo, DMRBIKES, Fairclough signature nya, some words, a grip for the brave, camouflage itself, napakaganda niya. Hindi siya pattern na magkaiba yung pattern niya compare dito. So on the right side, para dito sa left grip naman, iba yung pagka-pattern ng camouflage nya compare dito sa right grip nya. So kumbaga hindi mo siya makikita yung uniformity. This thing has another pattern, this thing has another pattern, and yeah, I think that's it. Alright, let's go on para dito naman sa DMR OiOi seat post. Actually nung nakita ko to, sabi ko sa sarili ko, wow, this will be a perfect fit para dito sa para sa handle grip na to, dahil nga both are camouflage, and yung sa ginagawa kong na-assemble nating hardtail, medyo may pagka camouflage yung pattern. So without further ado, tingnan natin to. From the packaging itself, this thing comes from the simple packaging lang. Once again, DMR logo, the OiOi seat post, and some info para dito sa seat post na to. Feel free to read, post ko na lang to. Alright, buksan natin. Out of the box, kita natin typical camouflage saddle with some camouflage pattern, OiOi logos, DMR logos itself, measurement. It's a simple saddle, pero you can see portability, I think pag pinipisil mo, yes, malambot. Malaman natin yung comfortability nito pag na-install na natin to sa ride, na ina-assemble natin. For me, medyo may doubt ako dito kung mainit ba to sa puwet or hindi, or comfortable ba to sa puwet, kasi nga yung texture or yung tela na ginamit dito is hindi siya yung typical na rubber na ginagamit sa mga saddle posts. Ito is mapipil mo siya na parang cloth itself. Pero let's see kung anong mangyari nito. I'm gonna give you guys a feedback para dito. So there you have it, guys. Hope you find this video useful nga pala. And as always, ako nga pala si JAYROQS, ang inyong OFW na kapadyak dito sa Middle East. Stay safe, ride safe, and peace be with you all.